How much do you really know about who's watching you right now? With every click, search, or message you send, someone could be collecting your data, tracking your habits, selling your personal info. It's not paranoia, it's the digital reality of 2024. But the good news? You can fight back. Today we'll count down the top 3 free privacy tools to help protect your data. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also explain why a VPN might be the missing piece to complete your privacy protection this year. Ready to take control of your online security? Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most common but invisible threats: online trackers. You may think you're browsing the internet freely, but in reality there are silent observers on nearly every website you visit, gathering data, watching your every move. And incognito mode? Sorry, it won't save you here. Come on, admit it. How many of you thought incognito mode was some kind of invisibility cloak? Chuckles. Hate to break it to you, but all it really does is hide your history from your browser, not from the trackers. These trackers build detailed profiles of your habits, your likes, your routines, and this data can be sold, or worse, exposed in data breaches. The solution: Privacy Badger. Privacy Badger is a free browser extension from the Electronic Frontier Foundation. It automatically blocks hidden trackers from collecting your data. Unlike other blockers, Privacy Badger learns as you browse. It detects suspicious behavior in real time and blocks trackers from following you across websites. Think of it like this. Privacy Badger is your digital bodyguard, protecting you as you move through the web. It doesn't just block ads, it blocks the tracking code behind them. But even with Privacy Badger, your email remains vulnerable. And trust me, email privacy is a whole different ballgame. Let's talk about that next. Let's move on to your email. Most people don't realize this, but when you send an email with a regular service like Gmail or Yahoo, it's like sending a postcard. Anyone can read it. Your provider scans your messages for advertising data, and hackers can break in, exposing your most personal info. Think about it. Your finances, your private conversations, your passwords, all at risk. Oh, and if you're still using that embarrassing email address from high school, you know, the one like funnyemail@randomdomain.com, it's time for an upgrade. The solution: ProtonMail. ProtonMail is a free encrypted email service that ensures no one can read your messages, not even ProtonMail itself. It uses end-to-end encryption, which locks down your email from the moment you hit send until it reaches the recipient. And with ProtonMail being based in Switzerland, your data is protected by some of the strictest privacy laws in the world. ProtonMail even lets you set your emails to self-destruct after a certain period. So, no lingering sensitive information sitting around waiting to be hacked. But even with secure emails, there's a much bigger problem that affects all of your online activity: your internet connection. And that's where our third tool comes in. Imagine this. You're at a coffee shop connected to public Wi-Fi, checking your bank account, or maybe shopping online. Seems harmless, right? But when you're on public Wi-Fi without protection, it's like leaving your house with the door wide open. Hackers can easily spy on your activity and steal your data. Ever connected to free Wi-Fi at a hotel or airport and thought, it's free, it's fine? Think again. Free Wi-Fi often comes with a hidden cost: your privacy. The solution? A VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. It hides your online activity from hackers, your internet service provider, and anyone else trying to snoop on your data. VPNs also mask your location, making it much harder for advertisers or government agencies to track your movements online. There are many VPN services out there, but ProtonVPN and Windscribe both offer strong free options. While paid versions come with extra features, these free versions still give you powerful encryption. And here's the cool part. With a VPN, you can also bypass region-locked content, giving you access to shows and services that might otherwise be unavailable in your country. It's like unlocking the full internet. But here's the thing. There's a big debate around VPNs. Do you really need one in 2024, or are there better ways to protect yourself? Stick with me, because we're about to dive into that next. So to recap, Privacy Badger stops hidden trackers, ProtonMail secures your email, and a VPN shields your internet connection from prying eyes. But the big question remains, do you really need a VPN in 2024, or are there better options out there? I've got a whole video that breaks it all down for you,